So, you're looking to get a loan, huh? Maybe you're buying a car, or maybe you're looking to consolidate some debt. And, of course, you're considering Sofi. But there's a little snag: you might need a cosigner. So, the burning question is, does Sofi allow cosigners? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, I want to be clear: cosigning is a big deal. It's not something to take lightly. By cosigning, you are essentially taking on the debt yourself if the primary borrower defaults. So, while we're talking about whether Sofi allows cosigners, it's equally important to understand the implications of cosigning. Okay, back to Sofi. As of right now, Sofi doesn't explicitly offer cosigner options for its loans. Unlike some traditional lenders, Sofi primarily focuses on creditworthiness based on your own financial profile. They look at factors like your income, credit score, debt-to-income ratio, and employment history. But hold on a second. Just because Sofi doesn't have a specific cosigner option doesn't mean it's impossible to get a loan if your credit isn't stellar. Sofi does offer a variety of loan products, each with its own eligibility criteria. For instance, their personal loans might have slightly different qualifying factors compared to their student loan refinancing options. So, what can you do if you need a cosigner to improve your chances of loan approval? Well, one option might be to consider a joint application. If you have a co-applicant with good credit, you could potentially qualify for a loan together. Keep in mind, though, that both of you will be equally responsible for the debt. Another strategy is to work on improving your own credit score. There are several things you can do to boost your credit, such as paying bills on time, keeping low credit card balances, and avoiding new credit accounts. This might take some time, but it could significantly increase your chances of getting approved for a loan without a cosigner. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I really need a loan now and improving my credit isn't an option? In that case, you might want to explore other lenders that offer cosigner options. There are plenty of traditional banks and credit unions that allow cosigners for loans. However, keep in mind that interest rates might be higher compared to Sofi, so it's essential to shop around and compare offers. It's also worth considering other financial options besides a traditional loan. For example, you might be able to borrow from friends or family, or you could use a credit card for a short-term solution. Just remember to be careful with credit card debt, as interest rates can be high. Before you make any decisions, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons of each option carefully. Consider the interest rate, repayment terms, and the overall impact on your financial situation. And remember, if you're struggling to get approved for a loan, it might be a sign that you're taking on more debt than you can handle. Sometimes, it's better to delay a purchase or find alternative financing options. So, does Sofi allow cosigners? Not directly. But that doesn't mean you're out of luck. By understanding your options and exploring different avenues, you can find a solution that works for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.